It's easy to feel lost in the daily grind of running a business. So many decisions, so many opportunities, but which ones are right for your company? It's like navigating without a compass. And before you know it, you're veering off course. Hi, I'm Andrew Lamb, and today we're talking about why every business needs a North Star. A North Star isn't just a fancy term. It's your guiding principle, the thing that helps you stay focused on what really matters, even in the midst of uncertainty. The first reason you need a North Star is to align daily operations with your long-term vision. When every task, meeting, and decision is connected to that guiding principle, you're not just putting out fires, you're moving towards something more significant. Imagine trying to steer a ship without a destination. It's the same thing with your business. Your North Star keeps you headed in the right direction, no matter how choppy the waters get. The second reason is that your North Star ensures that every strategic decision reflects your company's core purpose. It's easy to chase shiny opportunities, but when you have a North Star, you can filter out the distractions and focus on what truly aligns with your values. Should you enter a new market? Should you invest in that new technology? When you have a North Star, the right choices become much clearer. Finally, when things get tough, your North Star helps you navigate with clarity. Whether it's a market downturn or an internal challenge, having a clear purpose keeps you grounded, so you don't lose sight of the long-term goals. I've seen it time and time again. Businesses that know their why can weather any storm. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving through uncertainty. So remember, your North Star isn't just a tool. It's the foundation that keeps your business aligned, focused, and resilient. What's your North Star? Find it, use it, and let it guide you towards lasting success. Trust me, it'll make a huge difference.